guys, so as you can see I have, well, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I'm Hannah. So as you can see I have a whiteboard here. So I'm not using any fidgets in this video. If you know I love fidgets. I'm just gonna do like a 3-marker challenge. So here's how it's gonna work. I'm just gonna go like this with my eyes closed, so I don't know. And I'm just gonna like chop. And I can pick from left to right. And if I pick right, I'll get this color. If I pick left, I'll get that color. Yeah. That's basically what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna draw. I think I've decided I'm gonna draw a house, an Among Us character, and a flower. Okay, yeah. Those are good. That's what I'm gonna draw. So that's picking colors. So I'm gonna close my eyes here. I can't see anything. My head is behind the whiteboard. So there's the colors. I'm gonna pick this one. So here's my first color. Can you guys even see it? I don't know. I'll show them like when after I pick all my colors. It's a little harder than I thought it would be. Chop. Okay, here's my second color. I cannot see anything. Chop. Chop. Can we pick this one? Okay, I'm so excited. Whoa, okay. I like these. Yeah, I like these colors. So I got blue, I got red, and purple. So the first thing we're gonna draw, let's draw a house. But the thing is I only have 30 seconds, so I'll get started now. 3, 2, 1, go. Just drawing the outline. You can have outlines if you want to. Just a simple house with only 2 windows because I only have 30 seconds. Okay. The red. It's not going to be the best though. There. Now it's time for purple. Oh no, I'm running out of time. Okay, now I need to include all the colors. So I think I have to use blue for, no, just mix the blue and the red. And the purple and the blue. Okay. Alright guys, with these 3 colors, I made this. Here's the finishing product. I only had 30 seconds to color this. It's not that good. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. But, I mean, like, what is this? I don't like it. So we're gonna move on to the next one. And I think I want to draw an Among Us character. And I still have 30 seconds to draw. So, I have to pick my 3 colors. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna pick my 3 colors, but I'm just gonna close my eyes because I don't like just doing that because all I can see is just a brown board. And I feel uncomfortable, so I'm just gonna do like this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna make it all. Okay, so this color. Okay. Forgot it. I'm gonna go with this color. Okay. Okay, no, there's nothing there. Okay. And this color. 3, 2, 1. What? Okay, I think this one fell. I don't know. One color fell, but I'm guessing I got these 3 colors. So I'm guessing I got pink, orange, and green for the Among Us characters. I don't know. I think the brown fell. So I'm gonna quickly draw the outline, and I'll see you guys when I'm done drawing the outline. And here it is. So let's get coloring. Okay, so I have 30 seconds. So color fell. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Just gonna color the balloon green. Bring a pink Among Us character thing. What's the thing? Let's have it. I don't know what this is. Can you guys please comment down what this is if the comments are not disabled? Sometimes they are. But I don't know what that is. Everyone keeps calling it a backpack, so it's a backpack. Alright, I think I'm finished. 3, 2, 1. Here's the finishing product. I actually kind of like this one. Alright, now let's draw the flower. So let's erase this. Yeah. Alright, time to pick my colors. I'm gonna pick this one. Yes. Did I pick fall? No. Okay. This one. Right here. This one right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I got three colors. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I quickly drew my outline. So now let's go. I think I'm gonna try coloring with this. Alright, let's see if I can. Okay, I don't think I can. I have 3, 2, 1. Can we call that brown? Pink, 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 pink. Okay, now where's the blue I got? Okay, now the blue. Here's blue, 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 blue. I'm gonna make pink grass. I don't think you guys can see, but I put pink grass. I put grass, but something like pink. Alright. I think I'm finished. Here's the finishing product. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. Bye!